Well, guys, we're back down here, Topsail Island, Topsail Beach to be exact. Ocean is a little rough, just a little rough, but we're gonna get out there anyway and see what we can do. Well, like I said, guys, the ocean is rough. I went ahead and put on Sputnik sinkers so I could hold my baits in place. I've got this rig, Pompano rig, orange and green floats. This one over here, Pompano rig with white, blue and white. And both of them have fresh dead shrimp. That's what we got on. I think that may have been a little hit right there. Again, maybe not. Alright, we're going to go ahead and check this one. So this is acting a little on the funny side. Alright. Get that. It's just rough out there. And there's nothing on here. I guess it's time to rebait this one anyway, isn't it? Bringing this one back in because the current is crazy and I did not reset Sputnik. Alright, let's try that again. Woo! And some big waves there. Alright, now she's anchored up. Guys, it is extremely rough out here. Man. I don't know if we're going to be able to do anything in this or not. See some grass on that one over there. All we can do is keep trying. That's all we can do. Just show you, look at that rod tip and just see how the ocean is. It's rough. Maybe just wasting my time. But we'll see. I know my baits are getting beat to death. Well, guys, I believe we're going to have to call this one. It is ridiculously rough out here. My my Sputnik sinkers, they won't even hold. I mean, it's just ripping those loose. Current is going south as hard as it can go, and when that Sputnik sinker lets go, right down the beach. I knew it was going to be a little rough out here today, but man, not a very successful day. And I've only been down here 45 minutes. We're getting some gusts of wind. Not bad as it was yesterday out here, the wind, but the ocean is a little angry. So we're probably gonna call this a morning. I can't call it a day because it's only 7:30 in the morning. But hey, that's fishing. If you wait for that perfect day to go fishing, you're never going to fish. So I had to come down and try it, you know. But man, it's rough. It's rough. So guys, I do thank you for joining me. This is definitely going to be a short video. You know, titled "Trying to Fish in This Mess." It's like dropping a line in a washing machine. I don't care if you put shrimp on and then put a piece of fish gum to keep it on. Your fish gum and your shrimp are gone, and there's just so much going on that you couldn't detect a strike if you got one. Guys, thanks for joining me. You guys take care, and I will catch you on the next one.